These shops, doing 940 to 3,000 orders a month, all have one thing in common. They target the most in-demand niches on Etsy. So in this video, I'll go over the 8 Etsy niches guaranteed to sell in 2026 that all of these shops target. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which niches will triple the profits of your business, even if you live in Europe like me. Most beginners look for low competition niches that are seemingly in high demand. It sounds smart on paper, but it never actually works in practice if you've actually tried it. Because when a niche has low competition, it's usually low competition for a reason. Nobody's actually buying anything there. Now, look at retirements instead. This is one of the most in-demand niches on Etsy, and that's exactly why it works. Why? Because retirements happen every single day of the year. So if you want sales every single day, retirement is a great niche to be in. And I can personally attest to this because I've sold plenty of retirement designs in my $1.9 million print-on-demand business. And the designs are just simple. They're usually just text celebrating when someone retired. That's all you really need. So stop hunting for empty corners on Etsy. Just go where the buyers already are. Now, the second niche is one most people avoid because of one specific pain. So the niche I'm talking about here is custom pet shirts. And here's how it usually works. So the customer orders, you make a mock-up of their pet design and send it as a proof for approval. They then want a lot of changes to it. So you revise it, you send another proof, then you kind of wait for approval again. So 2-3 days can go by when you do this before you can even print the shirt. And if you do that across 50 orders a week, and you're kind of drowning. But the cool thing is that Etsy recently changed this because Etsy now lets customers upload their photos directly into the personalization field itself when they're buying. There's no more need for DMs. You don't actually need proofs if you do this correctly, and there's no need for any back and forth. They just upload, they pay, and you get the order with the photo already attached in the personalization. That really changes everything. Custom pet shirts used to be one of the most high effort things to sell on Etsy because of the high proof cycle. Now it's one of the cleanest niches you can actually be in. And people really love their pets like family, so the demand here really never stops. Now, a quick note. If you're new to this and you don't know how this process works, the shirts get printed by and shipped by a company called Printify. So we just upload our designs to a marketplace. When we get sales, Printify handles the rest. Is the printing partner that I've personally spent over $760,000 with. So if you want to try them out, you can use the coupon code Andreas after sign up to get 30 days of free premium. Link is in the description. Now let's get back to the video. And here's a niche that's one of the absolute best on Etsy, but most people honestly get it wrong. Because look at this listing. It's gotten about 59 sales in 11 months and one of the best niches on the platform. Why is that? Because it's too generic. It's a birthday shirt for everyone, which means it's a shirt for no one. Now look at this one instead. It's targeting just one specific birthday, a kid's first birthday, with matching shirts for the whole family. The listing has done more sales in a single month than the generic one did in 11 months. It's way more specific, but that's also why it gets way more sales. And here's why birthdays are just one of the absolute best niches to be in on Etsy. They happen every single day. And a gift is almost always a part of the occasion. The buyers are always there. You just have to talk to them one by one. So pick one. A first birthday with matching family sets, a girl's 5th birthday with princesses, a 30th birthday with retro vibes. Whatever it is, just be super specific for that one birthday. Now, you'll hear gurus on YouTube talk about the summer slump on Etsy, how sales drop and how it's a super slow season. The summer slump doesn't actually exist. It only exists if you're in niches where people aren't buying in the summer. It's as simple as that. Because if you want sales in summer, cruises is a perfect niche to be in. People cruise year-round, but it absolutely explodes in the summer. But the same rule as birthday heroes apply. We have to be specific. Don't make a generic family cruise shirt. Make a Hawaiian cruise shirt or an Alaskan cruise shirt, or a Caribbean cruise shirt. When we make designs for more than one niche at a time, we end up targeting no one. Pick one, design for that specifically. And if you're seeing a couple of sales here and there, but it's inconsistent, it's usually because you're in small niches that only sell once in a while. The future Mrs. niche is the fix for that. Why? Well, because people get engaged every single day. And when they do, they usually want to celebrate it. A future Mrs. shirt is basically an announcement gift and is really easy to give and easy to wear. You'll get sales all year with this type of niche but it's especially popular to get engaged in the summer. So future Mrs. shirts are another great addition if you don't want any slow months, especially in the summer. Now, this next one actually ties directly into the future Mrs. niche. And honestly, this is probably one of the best niches to get into as well, and here's why. If you're making sales but not enough profit per order, group niches is the fix. When people buy 3, 6 or 10 shirts in just one order, that can be $30 to several $100s in profit on a single sale, depending on the size of the order and how you set up your shop. Bachelorettes happen every single day, with a big peak in the summer. But the same rule also applies. We have to be specific. I mean, look at this one. Bride Squad. That's it. It's not designed for one specific type of bachelorette. It's just a silly little goose design that could go on anything really. If you're making a shirt like this, you're competing with a flood of identical generic listings. It won't really sell. Now look at this one instead. Western Nashville Bachelorette. The design is just as simple as the last one, but it's only targeting one type of bachelorette, not all bachelorettes. And it really shows in their sales as well. They're making 119 sales a month. That's how this niche works. A Nashville Bachelorette has cowboy boots and country themed sayings. A Vegas Bachelorette has neon and casino references. A wine Bachelorette has wine glasses and grapevines. You gotta pick one type of Bachelorette, designed like you're talking to that one bride and her friends. That's it. Now, niche 7 is one of the most popular ones talked about on YouTube. Because at the tail end of July, there's a massive peak of teachers buying shirts for back to school. And they usually actually buy in groups for the whole teacher team or like for a whole grade level. That's another group order niche. Multiple shirts per order, meaning more profit. This is also why now is the perfect time to start. With print on demand, you want to be 4 to 8 weeks ahead of a peak event. The peak is at the end of July through early August. So if you're watching this in June, you're right on time. But the same rule applies here as well. We can't just make a generic shirt that just says teacher. We have to say first grade teacher, online teacher, special education teacher, math teacher. Because if we target everyone, again, we're targeting no one. Okay, so the last niche, and it's one that ties back to something we already talked about before. Because if people are getting engaged every single day, and they're also having bachelorettes every single day, what else happens every single day of the year? Well, people actually get babies every single day, and people want to celebrate that, usually with a baby shower. So a gift celebrating the birth of a child is one of the strongest evergreen niches you can actually be in. But here's what most people miss with the niche. Personalization. I see so many shops skipping this, and it's why they're just not making the sales they want. Because when a consumer can just add a simple name for the parent, or just a simple name for the baby, or just the year it was born, it becomes so much more special to the occasion. Personalization makes it a gift, not just a shirt. And really, that's the difference between making 5 sales a month with a listing and 50 sales a month. So those are the 8 niches guaranteed to sell in 2026 and also beyond. But here's what I want you to notice. They all have one thing in common. Each one is tied to an event that happens every single day. Some peak at certain times, engagement peak in the summer, for instance, cruises peak in the summer, teachers peak in August. But the baseline never goes to zero. And that's the pattern. We gotta pick niches where the demand happens every single day. The peaks are just bonuses. But here's the thing. Picking the right niche is only half of the actual job. Because look at these 2 listings again. It's the same niche, same platform, same buyers searching. The only thing that really separates them is the design. The one on the left is a generic shirt that could go on anything really. The one on the right is targeting one specific bachelorette. And that's why it's making 119 sales a month while the other one isn't. So even if you pick the perfect niche from this video, you'll only see results if your designs are doing the work. I made a whole video walking through exactly how I approach designs that actually sell on Etsy. Watch this next. It's the other half of what makes everything in this video work.